Here's one, doing a little ice fishing today. Oh, that's a keeper. Not a huge fish, but it's a keeper. That's a nice eating perch right there. And I don't know how this is coming out. I don't know just where the camera is pointed. See down the hole or not. Come on, down there. And that's the second one for the day. It's a nice day out here. About 9 degrees. Champlain. I don't know how well the GoPro's working in here. Kind of a test. I'm not real used to it. Oh, come on, fish. No, I'll shut the camera off. Well, I don't know if I got any footage to go with it or not. We had a day on the ice. So I don't know if you can see down in there or not. We got quite a few perch. I'll get a picture of them out in daylight. So, you know, nice eaters. That's about all. Well, anyway, so much for being on the ice.